Hey guys, just like many of you, I got the Mini 2 for Christmas. Super quick, I noticed I was missing some accessories that was going to be really important. First up, the extended battery case. This is the two-way charging hub. Not only does it charge your batteries, it also charges itself to continue to charge the batteries. I noticed really fast that the one battery just wasn't doing it. This is much smaller than I had thought it was. In all the videos I watched, it looks huge. Now again, this is the Mini 2 one, so the original Mini might be a little bit larger. Also picked up another battery. The battery is $55. The two-way charger was $39 before tax and shipping. So with it, again, just a single battery. And just like that, it just slides right in. Clips. That's it. Super easy. See if there's anything else. Nope. Just instructions. That's it for the battery. The charging case. Manual. And that's it, no cord. So this charges via USB-C. And then if you want to charge your items like your phone or anything like that, it's micro USB-A. So the next thing that I noticed real fast is putting this in my case, these kind of wobble. So I went ahead and picked up the Propeller Holder. If you get the Fly More kit, this comes with that. What I did notice is this actually isn't made by DJI. It does not appear. It's made by this company. Let me see if it'll focus here. Not sure if that's focusing or not. Sinova is the company. This is really in here. A little more in depth, you can see it says down here designed for Mavic Mini 2 or Mavic Mini, I'm sorry, and then Sinova. This just pulls up. Just a little, looks like just like a little look. Kind of shows you how it works. Nice little presentation of this item. Pull it out. What is in this little box? Oh, you get a little lanyard strip for it. I won't use that. So it looks like this, pretty much the way it works. You get these bottom ones together. As you see, it just, there we go. It just pops over those bottom propellers like so. That one's kind of out of the way. This comes over and just kind of snaps in place. So it looks like that. It keeps those bottom ones from shaking. Then everything I've read, you can take these other ones and just kind of push them inside there if you want. So you can kind of strap them down here. It would look like, come on. Look like this, just keeps everything in place. Only negative I've heard about this is supposedly these will start to deform a little bit and it just won't fly. So you have to get the replacements and replace it. I'll play around with it, kind of see what happens, see if that appears to be the case. Looks like maybe a little bending. I'm not sure, we'll see. Last thing, this is also something I got from Christmas. You need a nice carrying case. So I have the Peter McKinnon Cube. I've just been sitting the drone in here, like so. Sorry. My controller over here. And now I need to make a spot kind of over here for the battery case. But that's it really. If you are looking at getting one, I highly recommend spending the extra $150 to get the Fly More kit, because that comes with the propeller guard, 3 batteries, which one is $55. Comes with the two-way charger, $39. It comes with even more propellers, and it comes with, what else does it come with? Comes with a couple other things. I'm trying to see. I know if you buy it from, it comes with the shoulder bag. That was the last thing. I knew I was forgetting something. However, if you have a Costco near you, Costco has the Mini 1 for sale, and with the Mini 1, you also get the, the DJI charging display base. I've seen it. I'm kind of on the fence if I want to get it or not. We'll see kind of in the future, but if you guys want to see it, let me know and I'll look at picking it up. It's only $45. This shipment came from China. It took about a week, so let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one.